After all the climbing of the last 2 days, we decided to follow 2 canals, so we had a flat route. We followed the canal de Montech and the canal latéral à la Garonne. Both are in the valley of the Garonne. These were the only hills we had to climb. It's a very quiet route, hardly saw any other cyclists. Bit like the Netherlands here, lots of water, left, right and center. On the left is the canal latéral de la Garonne and on the right is the river Garonne. The cycle path was cleaned for resurfacing, so we had to go on a parallel road. And we were treated to some brand new, very smooth tarmac. Now in front of the tarmac machine, and as can be seen, the road really needed a new surface. Now we're going across this lovely aqueduct. The Montech water slope is an inclined canal which replaces 5 locks. It's a system which was invented by the German engineer Julius Grave, and it was built in Montech in 1974. The system basically works by allowing a boat to float through this piece of canal, so just beyond the 2 locomotives. Then behind the boat a door is closed, and which traps a kind of wedge of water on which the boat is floating. Subsequently, both engines of the locomotives are started, and the wedge of water, together with the boat, is pushed up the inclined canal till it levels out with the water level at the upper door. Then the upper door is opened and the boat can continue on its journey. This system kind of replaces 5 individual locks. Here the whole system is explained in kind of 3 cartoons. Clearly the French engineers who designed this bridge had not taken into account a tandem. On the way back we enjoyed another cup of coffee. The cafe was conveniently located on the canal, basically.